Whitebit is a leading cryptocurrency exchange. It allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrencies using various payment methods such as Perfectmoney, Advcash, and Curves. You may also trade here without completing any KYC by making deposits using cryptocurrencies. So to get started, we need to register an account. To register, please follow the link given in the description. Enter your email, password, and agree to the terms and conditions here. Then just click on register and confirm your email. So I'm gonna log into my account. So after you have logged in, you can see the trading interface. So let me show you how to make a deposit. You can see that my account is not verified yet. So I won't be able to make deposits using Perfectmoney or Advcash yet, but I can make deposits using cryptocurrencies. So I'll be making a deposit using USDT. So click deposit and choose the network that you're going to use for making the deposit. So in my case, I'm going to make the deposit using the TRC20 network. And always check the minimal deposit amount before you make the deposit. And you can change your deposit currency from here as well. So I just need to copy the address, or I can scan this QR code from my phone and make the deposit. And we can see the transaction on the blockchain already. And here you can see that I have sent 5 USDT to this address. And here is one more feature that allows you to change your deposit address, which is a very good feature to maintain your privacy. Alright, so let's hide the zero balances from here. And you can see that I have got this 5 USDT in my account right now. You can hide or show your account balance by clicking this button. And you can also buy crypto using your credit card by clicking here. Although this is currently not available for me, maybe because I have not verified my account yet. But I'll do it right now, and I'll be showing it to you guys later in this video how to complete your KYC and verify your account. I had already submitted my documents, and as you can see here, my account has already been verified. So I'll be able to make a deposit using my Perfectmoney or Advcash account to any of these fiat currencies. So I'll just show you how to make a USD deposit. And you can see the minimum and maximum amount you can deposit and the fees. And here you can choose from Perfectmoney and Advcash. So I'll be choosing Perfectmoney. So as you can see here, the minimum amount you can make a deposit with Perfectmoney is $10, and you will receive $9 after deducting the fees. So let's continue, and here on this gateway, you need to make the payment. So I'm not going to complete it. So let's just move the funds from main account to the trading account right now. So I'll be buying some Bitcoins using this USDT in my wallet. So for trading, you have several options here. At first, let me show you the basic trading platform. So here you can see the charts and the current buy and sell orders. So you can search for cryptocurrency pair by typing here. I'll be selecting BTC and USDT pair. And you'll be able to see your current account balance on the upper right corner. So just enter your buying price and then the amount and the total amount of USDT you want to spend. And you can see the total amount you'll be spending, including the 0.1% fees here. So after that, just click on buy to create an order, or else you can select market from here. This will be a much easier way, and you can buy at the current selling rate from the market. Now let me show you the new trading option available, that is the spot trading. This is an advanced trading interface. You can choose how much amount of your funds that you want to use. I'm going to select max. And you can choose margin if you want to use leverage to increase your profits. But I'm not going to use margin, so I'll just place an order to buy. So here you can see that my buying order was created and finished within a couple of seconds. So I have successfully bought some Bitcoins using my USDT balance. Okay, so you can see it in the orders history and the trade history. And I currently have a total of $4.98 in my account, which is in Bitcoins. And if you're looking for an easier option to buy or sell, you can always exchange from here. Now you need to make sure that you have the funds in your trading balance and enter the amount that you want to exchange. Select the pair. I'm going to exchange the Bitcoins that I bought already to USDT. So you can see the current exchange rate deducting the fees. You need to agree here and click on exchange. Confirmed. So here you can see the success message, and I have successfully sold the Bitcoins that I had got in my account, and I now have 4.9930173 USDT in my account that I'm going to move from trading balance to my main account balance for withdrawal. And let's see if we can withdraw that. Clicking on max, but unfortunately we need a minimum of 5 USDT for withdrawal. So I can make a new deposit to withdraw the balance, or I can just trade and increase my account balance. So I'll be making a trade here, and let's see if I can make some profits to make it to $5. So I am choosing the Ethereum and the USDT pair, and I'll use my max account balance and place the order. So current price is at $1,794. So meanwhile, let's just see how to verify your account. You need to click on this not verified button here. You can see this tutorial video, which might be helpful for you to verify your account. So I'm not going to go into the video. You need to fill up your personal information on this form, and then go to the next step and read the document requirements, which are mostly common in almost all exchanges. Click on I understand. Now you need to submit your front and back side of your identity card. You can also use your passport and mark this option if your document doesn't have an expiration date. So from here you need to upload a selfie of you holding your identity card and the white piece of paper written whitebit.com, the date of your submission and your signature. So if you have successfully sent your information, you will receive a response within 24 hours from the support. Meanwhile, you can go to security to activate your 2FA. This will increase the security of your account. Also, you should check out the referral system, which allows you to get 40% of the trading fees from your referrals. So you can use this calculator to estimate your earnings. Alright, so here you can see that I had bought some Ethereum at $1,794, and currently the market value has increased and it's now $1,817. And I had sold the Ethereum at $1,815 and made some profit. So now I have enough money to withdraw. So let's move these funds from my trading account balance to my main balance, and now I can request for an withdrawal. So I need to select the network, enter my withdrawal wallet address, selecting the max amount, and click on withdrawal request. So a verification link has been sent to my email and I need to confirm it. So here you can see that after I had confirmed the verification link, my withdrawal request was instantly processed. And here you can see the transaction ID, which you can track on the blockchain. And here we can see the transaction. The funds have been sent to my receiving wallet address. So this was processed instantly. So here are some other features like the smart staking, where you can just hold your unused cryptocurrencies to gain some interest, and you can earn up to 30% APY by investing your funds in Whitebit. And they also have this trading competition where you can trade and compete against the other traders to gain big rewards. And they have recently launched this P2P exchange where you don't need any KYC to exchange funds in more than 100 currencies, 50 plus payment methods, and in more than 160 countries. So guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for the latest updates.